Do you always find yourself saying you'll save for that dream holiday, but the money just seems to disappear? You book the flights, you eye up the gorgeous hotel, and then you check your bank balance and realize you're back to square one. You're not alone. We all know that saving for a trip can be tough, especially when your holiday cash is sitting in the same account as your daily spending money. But what if I told you there's a simple, smart way to ring-fence your travel cash, watch it grow, and even get your friends to contribute for a group trip? Welcome to the world of Revolut Vaults, your new best friend for creating a dedicated holiday fund. A Revolut Vault is essentially a digital piggy bank within your Revolut app. It's separate from your main balance, so you're not tempted to dip into it for that extra latte. And setting one up takes less than a minute. Here's the simple step-by-step. First, open your Revolut app. Head to the Accounts section, tap Add New, and select Vaults. Next, give your vault a name that excites you, think Bali Beach Fund or Ski Trip 2026. You can even set a target amount for your trip, say $3,000, and a deadline. Seeing that goal makes saving feel a lot more real. Now for the best part, filling it up. Revolut gives you 3 fantastic ways to save automatically. The first is roundups. Activate this, and every time you spend on your Revolut card, the change is automatically rounded up to the nearest whole number and dropped straight into your holiday vault. Buy a coffee for $3.50? The extra 50 cents goes straight towards your plane ticket. It's effortless saving you barely notice. The second is a recurring payment. Treat your holiday fund like a bill you have to pay. Set up a weekly or monthly transfer for whatever amount you can manage. Even $10 a week adds up fast. And finally, you can simply add a one-off contribution whenever you have some spare cash. Got a bonus? Drop it in the vault. Now, let's talk about group trips. If you're planning a holiday with friends or a partner, you can create a group vault. This works just like a personal one, but allows everyone to link their Revolut accounts and contribute. No more awkward chasing for money. Everyone can see the goal and the progress. It's collaborative saving that keeps everyone motivated. So, stop just talking about that dream trip. Start funding it. Revolut Vaults make saving automated, motivational, and completely separate from your daily life, giving you the best chance of hitting your target stress-free. Check out the links in the description below for more info and to start your first vault today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.